Well, hi and welcome to another episode of Matt Blackmick's Garage, Workshop, whatever. And today we're working on the GMC 3/4 ton pickup. I'm making a start on repairs to the cab floor. Now this is going to be probably quite a long project. As you can see, I'm having to work on the truck outside. Not ideal if you're welding, but I'm going to give it a go and we'll see what happens. I'll just have a quick look at the damage. Obviously this is the passenger footwell. You see the floor's completely gone here. This is the what they call the floor support. That bolts on the mounting, the cab mounting bolt. There's somewhere here where it bolts onto the actual frame of the truck. And we've got this rocker panel. It was a previous repair that's actually in really good condition.